Radhe Radhe. Hello Anjali, what's your name?
My name is Anjali. Like you have at say hello.
Okay. How are you in these days?
I am not feeling good because I have fever.
Why?
I have fever.
But you should take medicine.
But I come to school, so I can't take medicines.
But you
I
should
have no medicines.
You should use home remedies.
Yes, I should take. How are you?
I'm fine
But why are you fine?
because I feel in these days good, so I am fine.
Oh,
did
that's
you take,
very nice.
Did you take breakfast in the morning?
Yes, I take breakfast. Like I take
This type of take breakfast in the morning.
fruits. I take some fruits and dates. In Hindi, khajur.
Yeah, I understood. And does your mother cook food in the morning?
No, my mother doesn't cook food because it's so late.
You didn't bring lunch in school?
My mother reached that lunch in interval.
Yeah, I understood. And
What is your passion?
my passion is helping poor people, and I want to always firstly be should big thing, and
Oh my God, that's great, Anamika. And what do you want to become in your future?
I want to firstly I want to when I young I want to self-independent person, because many Indian women, when she's young, she dependent on her father. When she's married, she dependent on her husband, and when she's old, she dependent on her son. But I don't want to any dependent person. I want to self-independent person, because many girls didn't have courage. He always fear I can't do, but we can. I believe in the power of words, because many people speak before they think, but I know the value of words. Words can make you, break you, they can heal your soul, they can damage forever.
I also believe words have many powers. You can, if you say good words, then you can win whole world. If you say bad words, that you don't win any words heart.
How is your thinking? It's dependent of your mind. When we can think too big, and we can achieve any goal, but firstly we should think.
Yes,
Tell me.
Yes, I think that you should become anyone's reason of smile, because in this era everyone is sad. You should become everyone's smile's reason. In my opinion, I like that things.
Why are you tell me the smiles? Because I have reason.
It feels me good. It's my habit. Okay, can you tell me in which school do you
all
read?
time good emotions if you feel? Tell me.
No, all times not. Sometimes I'm emotional, sometimes I'm happy. It depends on my mood.
Okay. Do you?
Can you tell me in which school do you read?
I read in YPY Higher Secondary School.
Oh, I listen this school's name very much. This is a top school in our town.
This is a famous school in this world, and when I took admission in this school, I thought many differences in my life. So, what do you think in this school? Because you
Like
read already.
yes, I read in this school from my junior classes, and now I am in class 10th. It's when I can speak in this stage, it's just because of my school, YPY Higher Secondary School.
Oh, okay. And tell me about the teachers. How qualifies the teacher? How these qualities you impressed?
If you want to know about my teachers, then you can see that it's in myself. If there is any one qualities which you like, then it's just because of my teachers.
Okay, I also like all teachers because all teachers are qualified and
Yes.
higher educated. He always energetic all teachers, and he looks smart teacher, and he teaches very properly, and each and every student.
In this school all teachers focused on discipline, like in this school there is a teacher like Lole sir, Abhishek sir, our principal sir, Barma sir, and whose name is Mr. Yamuna Prasad Yadav. He is teacher of government school, but he come in this school for looking us how's your teacher teaching us.
It's in this school discipline is a high level, because if we don't discipline when school or in college, we pay a heavy price in later part of our life. Discipline like coming up in a proper way, communicating properly, respecting people properly, and this school discipline is a high level, and many school I
Without
read
discipline you can't do anything. I learned it from my teacher, from my bade sir. He is my idol. His discipline, his means his personality, his everything I like very much.
when I studied in this school, I like also many habits, I developed many new habits. I improved many bad habits, because in this school consistency is the key. That is the first and most important thing.
Yes.
And tell me about Lovelace sir.
Lole sir, he is a very good teacher. If I can speak here, then it's just because of my Lole sir. He is my idol. I learn very thing from Lole sir.
Tell me
He is also a
tell me
poet.
the qualities of Lovelace sir. Do you like the most?
Yes, he doesn't thought what do you think about him. If you want to teach you by he will have to beat you, then he beat. He don't think that what do you think about him. That's quality of Lole sir I like too much.
That's great. You should like, because his teacher is his teacher is always energetic teacher.
Can you tell me some qualities of Abhishek sir?
Firstly, he is a very disciplined person. He always energetic and look smart. Her face is glowing, and his qualities are impressed any person, and
Yes.
he talk very properly. I like.
Okay.
Tell me the qualities of founder sir.
In about founder sir, he is a very disciplined teacher. He means his personality is really impressive. If our school is so much famous, then it's just because of founder sir.
Yeah, he's the basis of in this school.
Yes.
Because his school is very famous in this world, and he's important role in this school.
Yes, he is very hardworking.
Do you like Jackie Suri?
Yes, I like very much. She is my idol. She is a very good motivational speaker.
And she's also a spiritual
Yes.
teacher, but its spiritual life is important in our life, because a person who tries to gain religious or spiritual knowledge through prayer
Yes,
and
like
thought,
it is Kali Yuga. In this era, we should follow spiritual life.
because in this school many teachers not follow spiritual life, but we should live spiritual life. Spiritual life is important in our life.
Yes, it is very important in our life.
Tell me why in this school not live spiritual life. Do you like that?
No,
So tell me.
every teacher lives spiritual life. But in school, in my opinion, reading is our worship. Saraswati Ma is our real God.
Yeah, I understand.
Then you can't say
tell
that
me
our teachers doesn't live spiritual
You tell
life.
me I like Jackie Suri. Tell me the reason why do you like Jackie Suri? Many qualities. Do you impress? Then you like.
Yes, I just say her qualities. There is many qualities that I can't speak from my tongue. She is really a very genius lady.
Do you when you young do you want to shake hand with Jai Kishori ji?
Yes, if I say about myself, then I want to be like Abdul Kalam, Malala Yousafzai, Radha Krishnan, Mahatma Gandhi, like that person. They are our heritage.
Yeah, but he's self-independent and he's studied.
Yes.
There is a proverb saying education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world.
But if in this age our education is very theoretical, our every friends, students read for going to government sector.
In this era, many students have more theoretical knowledge but lack practical knowledge.
Yes.
But we should work
Gain
in
practical knowledge. Yes.
We should gain practical knowledge because practical knowledge is never forget any topic when we read and never forget. Okay.
Okay. I nice to meet you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.